Good morning. So we are going to be talking about BugBust today. And let's go ahead and get ready to go live here on Facebook. And let's see, use camera, start screen share. Make sure that's sharing my screen. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm live. Delay. Live. Okay, I'm live. So today is Wednesday, and I know it doesn't always feel like Wednesday because of the fact that, we had a Monday for a holiday, but it is Wednesday, so which means we're halfway through the week, and I wanted to share something that I learned about Amazon last night going home. Sorry, got a little ding on my phone. Last night going home, I was listening to an Amazon Web Services podcast. So if you're not familiar with Amazon Web Services podcast, it's an AWS podcast. You can find it on any place that you find your podcasts. It's great industry knowledge. Sometimes it's like a lot like, whoa. And then it's just Amazon. That's just AWS. So, but anyway, so what they were talking about was something called BugBust. And I think I already opened up this. Yes. Okay. So BugBust. So AWS BugBust, the world's first global challenge to fix 1 million bugs and reduce technical debt by over 100 million. So the thing, when it comes to jobs in technology and development and, all of that encompasses, am I saying that right? There's so many opportunities because it's so diverse. It's so huge. And there's so many things that need to be built and so many things that have bugs in it that need to be fixed. So that's kind of what I got, the gist that I got from BugBust, the podcast that I listened to last night. So you might have participated in BugBust before. I have not. But many of the software companies that they worked at, including Amazon, run them in the weeks before launching a new product or service, which makes sense. I know whenever I'm creating something or building something, I don't necessarily see the bugs. I don't necessarily see the little flaws in whatever it is. I need like another pair of eyes, and that's just human nature. That's why you work collaboratively in teams. Because you need somebody else to look at it. So BugBust takes the concept of a bug bash to a new level. So BugBust allows you to create and manage private events that will transform and gamify the process of finding and fixing bugs in your software. It has automated code analysis, built-in leaderboards, custom challenges, and rewards. And one of the things that they were talking about last night in the podcast was the swag. Everybody loves swag, especially Amazon swag. I remember when I used to go to meetups and whatnot in person, always loved the swag, and I still have some stickers and some shirts and whatnot. So BugBust fosters team building and introduces some friendly competition into improving code quality and application performance. And their developers can also take part of the world's largest code challenge. Now, I do believe that what I heard last night was like they're only used two programming languages, Java and Python, and they are slowly incorporating more languages into their thing, but I don't think it's going to be in time for the competition, because the lady who was also in the podcast, like the one doing the interview, she was talking about her language is Swift, and they don't have it for Swift. Let's see. What's more, behind the scenes, BugBust uses Code Guru Reviewer and Code Guru Profiler. These developer tools use machine learning, and automated reasoning to find bugs in your applications. These bugs are then available for your developers to claim it and fix it. The more bugs a developer fixes, the more points the developer earns. A traditional bug bash requires developers to find and fix bugs manually, but with BugBust, developers get a list of bugs before the event begins, so they can spend the entire event focusing on fixing them. And what I heard, I think they're going to talk about this right now. So as a developer, each time you fix a bug in a private event, points are allocated and added to your global leaderboard. So it talks about as developers reach significant individual milestones, they receive badges and collect exclusive prizes from AWS. Now, one of the things that I did hear them mention last night was the fact that that was going to be kind of the skills or the strategy behind people who are, competing in this? Are they going to do one bug and focus on one bug that has a higher point value, or they just focus on that one? Or are they going to focus on multiple bugs that have lower point values, and the sum of it would, obviously reach a higher value? So I've not dived into this, so I'm kind of learning about it from what I learned last night and what I'm going over today. It's not something that I envision I'm going to be able to spend a lot of time on, as much as I would love to, because one of the things that you get as prizes is to be able to go to reInvent. And reInvent is the AWS conference in Las Vegas. And I think tickets are around $1,700. So I don't have the time, unfortunately, to invest into this. But if you are interested in this, I highly, highly encourage you to check it out. So to show you how the challenge works, so they create a private BugBust event in the Code Guru console. So they go through the instructions on here. And again, I don't think I'm going to be able to have the time to invest into this personally. However, I'd be more than happy to host it. So if you are interested in pursuing something like this and participating, and just want a place to find a place to host it, I would be more than happy to. I just don't know how much time and effort I can actually involve in doing it. But if you are interested in partaking in this, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to host it. I think it'd be a really fun competition. It's some cool prizes, and it's just all in all, it's fun. So that's my awesome Wednesday AWS. Awesome. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you are interested in checking out BugBust. I already forgot what it was. BugBust. Sorry, BugBust. Okay. Let me know if you're interested in about BugBust.